Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows 11 login problems tutorial. Being on the login screen, click on the shutdown button, press the Shift key on your keyboard, and then click on Restart. This will cause the system to restart in advanced mode. We will click on Troubleshoot and then click on Advanced Options. After that, select the option Startup Settings. When you access it, click on Restart. When Windows restarts, press the F5 key to use safe mode with networking. Wait a moment for the system to be loaded in this mode. When you have access to the system, simply click on the Start menu and from the Shutdown button press Restart. Windows 11 will be restarted. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can see that now the normal session will load without any error. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.